2.8 translating algebraic expressions. I can translate all algebraic expressions.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. Simplest form. No like terms are parentheses that can be distributed. Oh, I remember? I didn't even remember we wrote that. Remember that last problem down in number 4?
Yes.
If you can't distribute anymore, then you have it in simplest form. So distributing, if you have distributing, it's never going to be in simplest form. So you're always going to want to do that first. Like terms are terms that can be combined. Let's just say for fun on number 2, A here, we have x plus x is 2x, right?
Yes.
Can you combine x and x to the third?
No.
Are those like terms?
No.
They're not like terms. If the exponents are different, they're not like terms. Distributed means to spread out evenly by using multiplication. Number 3 gives you an example of distributing. Number 4, number 5, lots of different ways to say n plus 5. Lots of different ways to say a divided by 7. This is where some of you got stuck, remember, on number 5a. 9 less than the number w. A lot of you said 9 minus w. Is that wrong?
Yes.
9 less than the number w. Is that wrong?
No.
I'm sorry. 9 less than the number w. A lot of you said 9 minus w. If you really truly read what that is saying, you are wrong, right? So be careful. Letter B on algebraic phrases. So I'm going to cross this out so you know that this is wrong. Same thing. Some parentheses could be used there, or because of the commutative property. Again, don't know what's going on back there. I'm doing a video right now. Because of the commutative property, you could just flip things around there to make that thing work. Number 4, this is where I think the hardest part of the lesson took place here, combining like terms. We use coding. I use boxes, circles, triangles, whatever I can think of to use to show the like terms. In this situation, 3x and x are like terms, so we put a box around them. 2a or negative 2 is not like 3x and x, so we put a circle around that. And once you did that, you just combine them. Number 8 is another example of that, with more than just a couple of different terms that can be combined. Number 9 is another example of that. Number 10 gets a little bit more difficult. Remember, to simplify means you must distribute, right? So this is the distributing part. We did that first, did we not? Did we not?
Yes.
I ask a question. Can you guys answer? So we distributed first, yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you. And then combine like terms using our codes. And then I just talked about this earlier. 3x plus x squared. Those combinable?
No.
No. They have variables, or if they have different exponents on the variable, then you cannot combine. I like this cheat sheet. This one my class last year came up with, so I wrote this one. I'm not sure if you wrote it or not. But the steps on simplifying algebraic expressions would be distribute if you can, code second, combine the terms third. It's a good thing to remember, I think. Questions?